Eufy RoboVac G30 promises smart dynamic navigation, 2000 paw suction, and up to 100 minutes of hands-off cleaning. Either we've reached set-it-and-forget-it home bliss, or we're about to waste money on tech roulette. On paper it sounds slick. A 2.85-inch low profile that slides under couches, Boost IQ that automatically ramps suction on carpets, Wi-Fi app control, and a tidy cleaning path map you can watch in real time. But here's the thing, specs can look criminally generous until you actually live with the robot. Here's what caught my attention. No LiDAR, no real room mapping, and boundary control depends on which variant you buy. I didn't guess. I ran the G30 for 3 weeks across hardwood, low, and medium pile rugs and an 80-pound dog's worth of tumbleweeds. I've put the direct link to check current pricing in the description, but before you click anything, let me show you what I discovered after 3 weeks of testing. Let's level set what the G30 claims to do. It's pitched as a budget robot that still cleans systematically, not randomly, with Smart Dynamic Navigation 2.0. Marketing promises include up to 2000 paw suction with Boost IQ for deeper carpet cleaning, up to 100 minutes per charge and auto recharge to finish the job, slim 2.85-inch profile for under furniture reach, app control with cleaning history and voice assistant support. Sounds convenient, right? Pretty bold claims for the price bracket, but here's where things get complicated. Reality check. They claim smart navigation. What you actually get is gyroscope-based zigzagging, not true mapping. Here's why that matters. Without LiDAR or a saved map, it can't do room-by-room cleaning or precise no-go zones. The path map you see in the app is a history snapshot, not something it uses intelligently later. In open areas, coverage looked solid. In chair forests and table legs, it did the classic robot shuffle, small misses around edges and underdesk pockets. They claim 2000 paw suction with Boost IQ. Reality. On hard floors, it nailed crumbs and rice, but the dual side brushes can fling lighter debris like kibble to the edges before coming back for it. On medium pile rugs, it picked up surface debris but left embedded fine sand. Let's be real, 2000 paw on a compact robot isn't the same as a powerful upright. Hair wrap is another plot twist. Pet hair collects in the roller and around the brush bearings, demanding weekly maintenance if you've got shedding pets. They claim up to 100 minutes of runtime. Reality. That's in standard mode on hard floors with minimal Boost IQ triggers. In mixed floor tests with Boost kicking in, I consistently saw 45–65 minutes before it headed home. It does return to charge and can resume, but without a persistent map, it's not resuming a specific unfinished zone. It's basically starting another systematic pass, which can mean recleaning some areas while others still need a second bite. They claim app control and smart features. Reality, the app is clean and simple but basic. You can set schedules, choose power levels, and view cleaning history. Voice control works for start, stop, and send to dock. But here's where it gets mathematically impossible to match higher-end bots. No room selection, no multi-floor maps, and virtual boundaries require the G30 Edge variant with physical magnetic strips. The standard G30? No boundary support. The marketing doesn't scream that difference. Here's where things get interesting. Black or very dark rugs. Like many robots, the G30's cliff sensors can misread deep black as a drop, causing avoidance or stuttering stops. Multiple user reports and my own test with a black bath mat matched that behavior. Also, while the 2.85-inch height is clutch for sofas, the front lip can wedge under some ultra-low frames. Measure before you send it on a mission. Now the detailed breakdown. Navigation and coverage. The G30's gyro-guided zigzag is a big step above random bump and go. In a 900 SQ/FT space, it averaged around 55–70 minutes for a full pass on standard. It's more efficient than older random Eufy bots, but without a saved map, you won't get targeted zone cleans. If you move chairs mid-clean, it adapts, but it can take extra passes to tidy up edges. Suction and pickup. On hardwood, pickup was strong for dust, crumbs, and pet hair. In a sand and rice scatter, it cleared the bulk in 2 passes but left traces along baseboards until the 3rd pass. On medium pile rugs, Boost IQ kicked in reliably, but embedded fine debris remained noticeable compared to LiDAR-equipped competitors with higher airflow. Expect to empty the bin frequently, around 0.6 liters, which fills fast in pet homes. Battery and noise. Noise is pleasantly low, roughly conversation level in standard, a bit louder in Boost but still apartment-friendly. Battery reality is tied to floor type. If your place is mostly hard floors under 1000 SQFT, it'll finish in one go. Add lots of rugs and you'll see mid-clean pit stops. App and build quality. Build feels solid for the price. Maintenance is easy with a pop-out roller and filter. The app is stable but minimal, no advanced mapping, no digital no-go lines. And here's what nobody tells you, the model naming is confusing. G30, G30 Edge, G30 Hybrid, only the Edge supports magnetic boundary strips and Hybrid adds mopping. That's not switching, that's expensive confusion. Scan reviews and you'll see many 5-star ratings praising quietness and simplicity, while critical reviews flag boundary limitations, dark rug issues, and hair tangles. Verdict: buy with caution. If you have mostly hard floors under 1000 SQFT, few dark rugs, and you just want a quiet daily crumb buster, the G30 delivers a tidy experience at the right sale price. If you need real mapping, room control, reliable boundary zones, or deeper carpet performance, save your money for a LiDAR bot like RoboVac Q5 or look at Roomba i4, i5 when they're discounted. Price context matters. Under about 180, the G30 can be a value. North of 230, you're bumping into robots that actually map and obey no-go lines. Don't pay mapping money for a non-mapping bot. Stay savvy out there. Thanks for watching. If this review saved you from wasting money or helped you find something actually worth buying, I've put the link to check current pricing and read more reviews in the description. And hey, if you do decide to buy through my link, it helps fund these investigations without costing you extra. Got questions or want a budget LiDAR showdown next? Drop a comment and I'll dig in. Subscribe for more no-nonsense gear breakdowns and I'll see you in the next one. Keep your cash smart and your floors smarter.